Hi, it's Brenda with Luke's. We want to talk to you today about some marking tools. For you embroiderers and sewers as well, we know about the friction pen. We can take the pen, mark our fabric on where we need to sew or where we want to position for embroidery. Then I take my iron over the mark, and it magically disappears. Now, when I take this same pen and I mark on dark fabric, I have two problems. One, it's hard to see. Two, when I use my iron to make it go away, it goes away, but look, it leaves a scar on the fabric. That's a problem. If only there were another tool that we could use that was just as simple. There is. Here's our white marking pen. I'm going to take this and draw my line on my dark fabric. And the first thing you're going to say is, ha-ha, Brenda, the line didn't show up. But the way the ink works in this, it's like the old photography. It develops. So all of a sudden, you're seeing the line in white clearly develop, and it's easy to see. It's almost like a white chalk mark, and it gets darker the longer I wait. Now, that makes it easy to see on dark fabric. And when I want to get rid of that marking line, again, I can take the iron over the line, but instead of leaving a residual or a residue or a scar, it's gone. This is called the Clover White Marking Pen Fine, and we have plenty of them here at Luke's. Please come in and grab one. You'll love it.